Greetings and salutations, YouTube Wanderer. The Lost One Gaming here, and welcome back to Individual Investor Tycoon and our nearly $300 million. Now, I was about to say, I was wondering where the news was, because it seemed like I hadn't seen anything in a minute. Let's go ahead and look at the stock trade real quick. So, Hayer is up to $35 per share. I'm going to go ahead and unpause that. TCT Net's now like $40. Cinda Rambler parallels at $150. TCT Net's game Striker Kings highest online at the same time. What are these? What's going on with these symbols here? I'm trying to figure out where would be a good place to invest. I mean, dang, I missed an opportunity there, didn't I? I could have got in like $50 there. So maybe next time TCT Net falls, which is now, how much is it going to fall though? 45, 47. I'm thinking maybe we invest again. I was trying to pause, but I couldn't freaking do it. On the consumer day, the internet has exposed the bacteria exceeding standard in many poor quality living paper. Quality living paper? What are we talking about right now? Rambler signed a contract with the NBA. They're at $63 a share. Hayer has started to fall off again, but how much is 29? Like, I feel like at this point everything's so high that I don't really want to seemingly invest in anything anymore. Sophie's at $2,500 pretty much. SSA Group's at $600. Some papers falling off a little bit, but I mean, Cinda plans to execute parts of the layoffs as profits fall, but they're still going up, so they're not really 83, 81. Sup Papers at Xylos Factory. What? Sup Paper? Pretty sure they meant Sun Paper. And the Dew Point signed a cooperation with it. Okay. I'm waiting on Cinda to fall a little bit more, I guess. 77. I really don't. Let's see. 73, 70. And it's back up again. 78, 76, 71. I don't really. 65, 59, 57. How far could it fall is the question. We know that it can get back up to 70. But is it going to fall any lower than 50? Probably not, I guess. I think this may be the time to invest in both Cinda and Hayer, considering we could see Hayer getting back up to like $33 or something like that. So I think, SSA Group is falling off by like half, so we have to take this opportunity. Let's go ahead and do that. 3,000. That's going to be 300,000 shares there. We're going to go ahead and invest in Cinda as well. We're going to go ahead and do 17,000. There we go. $90 million invested there. I'm actually being really, I won't say greedy, but I'm being really aggressive right now with the investments here. But I think we can make a good deal. Let's go ahead and we won't invest everything. We'll do 18,000 here, which will be, what is it, 1.8? Will it be 1.8 million shares? 1.8 million shares. Alright, so now we're going to see how this all turns out. So far, SSA Group has gotten worse, and we've lost like millions of dollars off of that investment right now, but I think overall it should get better, and when it does, it will be a great investment. I mean, we bought it at like half of what it was worth from before. So I mean, like, I see this as being a good deal. Let's go ahead and keep going. If I can unpause, there we go. $6 million off of Hayer. Cinda's kind of just, Alright, now we're starting to make money off SSA Group. 11 million, 19 million, 23 million. We're making money off all of them. This is great. This is good. SSA Group 60. Oh boy. 22 million. SSA Group's currently at 567. I think I want to see if it can get up to 600. Cinda's at 47. I can invest more into Cinda right now. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do 4,500. There we go. That's another $20 million. Alright. There. I think that's okay. 860. I'm trying to see. 600 is what I'm shooting for with SSA Group. It's almost there, and it dropped down again. Hayer, $32 million. 42. Oh, this is actually a lot more than I thought I would get from Hayer. So I'm going to go ahead and sell that one because I don't really know if they can get up to 50. And I don't really want to chance it anymore. It's kind of, yeah. Let's go ahead and get rid of everything. That's what, 18,000 shares? Or 1.8 million total shares, but 18,000 in here. $76 million back. Alright, so we're out of the market there. and 42, and it started to drop off. So we made it just in time. I don't know why I snapped there. And SSA Group is falling again, but 484. Yeah, it's falling down again. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Send us down to 42. TCT Net's down to 37. They've been as high as 70 before, so let's go ahead and invest here. We'll do we'll do 15,000, so 1.5 million shares. All right, there we go. I think this should turn out okay. I'm hoping it'll turn out okay, at least. I think, I was gonna say, what price target should we shoot for? Maybe 60, if it can ever get back there. We've now lost all of our money on SSA Group again. We were as high as like $50 million there, but we're back down to freaking almost nothing now. Hayer's down to 39, 37. TCT Net's going up. It's at $45. I guess I'm kind of holding long term in a way. Cinda's now at $54. Due to economic downturn, house price fell 10%. Oh, that was a big drop there. I don't like that drop. I don't like that one at all. SSA Group is now back up $51 million, $60 million, and I was trying to stay in for 600. I may be able to get there, I may not. There it is, 600. Come on. God dang it. Maybe we can't break 600 again. I don't know. MTK joins the tablet PC market competition. You don't want to be there. It seems like everybody has to freaking run out with their tails between their legs. No one really succeeds. No one really succeeds at this point. I'm kind of holding, what is it? Kind of long term, fairly long term. It's been, what, a month or so? I don't know. Can't remember. I don't remember what day I bought these. Cinda's now down to freaking $30-something a share, which sucks. That's good news. $35 million off of TCT Net. Oh, they're at 70. Yep, it's about time to get out. There we go. We made $45 million off of that. Let's go ahead and sell. That should be good. $105 million we're going to get back from that. We're now back at $147 million. SSA Group, they keep toying with me right now. They keep getting up to, like, there it is, 619. All right, I'm out. I don't want any more. 600 was my price target. I'm out. 3,000. There we go. $185 million. We're now above 300 million total. And if Cinda does well, you know, we may be up over 400,000 by the end of it. But Cinda keeps dropping off again, so I don't freaking know. It's not worth it at the moment. TCC Net actually went up to $80. So I missed out there. Sometimes I sell and I do good, and other times I sell and I miss out. So it's like, it's kind of just, I guess you take it for what it is. SSA Group's now back down like 400. Sophie's at almost $3,000, $3 million. No, $3,000. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sun Paper just broke 3,000. When are these guys gonna fall off again? Because I made a lot of money one time investing on Sun Paper. They're 2,700. I was gonna say that may be another opportunity there. Cinda released a new high-speed camera. Still isn't really sending their shares that much higher though. I may have not really. $60, and it's back down. God dang it! I thought I was doing okay for a minute there. 54, 58, 59. I don't really know what my target is for them though. That's the thing. Let's see. Oh, we're up to $68. I think we should probably sell. I don't really see Cindy getting that much higher than 60. Although it could jump up to 70. But, you know, I think I'm just going to go ahead and take what I got. Not going to be greedy. What was it? 21,500. Okay. 21,500. It's 141 million. It didn't, well, it got us over 400 million. It didn't quite get us to 500 million, though. I'm trying to see. SA Group's now like 400. Sun Paper's over $4,000 right now. Those two just keep on going, don't they? Cinda released a new professional underwater. Oh, it went up to 80. Look at that. Oh, I missed out. I missed out $90. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Thing about Cinda and Hayer in those, they usually drop back off at some point. But the thing is, like I said, is everything is just so high now. It's like, I mean, I remember back in when Hayer was like $9. That was the average range. And now it's like in the 30s and 40s. So it's like, Is there going to be some type of market crash that may possibly happen that sends everything back down plummeting? Or is everything just going to stay in this range right now? I guess maybe I could, like, let's just look at the hype degree and panic degree here real quick. Let's see what people are thinking. You know, maybe there is like a crash coming. I doubt it. If it was coming, it probably would have actually happened in 2009 or like late 2008 or something, maybe, right? Or 2000s .com bubble thing that happened, and I was talking about TCT net. This year, 2 events have an impact on parallel, resulting in profit change of negative 9%. This year, 9 events have an impact on SOFR, resulting in profit change of 82%. Really? Hype degree is 24%. Found one house for sale requires at least $27,000. Man, that's crazy. Global tablet PC shipments dropped 11%. Send us back down to like $45, so that's cool. I think I may invest again. Maybe a good time. Sophie's at $6,000. This is freaking ridiculous. Like, I could buy 700. I could only buy like 700 shares. Well, should be like what, 7,000 or 70,000? I kind of want to invest just to see how much I could actually make off of Sophie. So we're just gonna do 350. That's $226 million. 35,000 shares. And we're gonna invest in Cinda again. Although Cinda, I'm trying to see if it's gonna drop any more. Because I was gonna say it may drop down to $30 again like it did last time when we invested. But it seems like 47, 49. It's kind of stuck in that range, and it's going up again actually. Sophie's now dropping off right after I decided to invest, and I lost millions of dollars for that moment there. And I missed an opportunity for $29 million. Great. Cool. I mean, Sophie could be a long-term hold, or it could not, or I could lose all my money because now it decided to drop right after I invested. I was waiting on the drop, and there it freaking is. I've lost $100 million on this investment. This is absolutely ridiculous. Sophie, I'm gonna need you to get your stuff together. What is going on? 3,000. Oh my god. Is it gonna just head down? This, like I said, this is the moment I was waiting for, but I was hoping it would happen while I was not invested. But no, it had to happen while I actually had shares. TCT net's now over $100. Sophie's now headed back up a little bit. Oh man, I may have lost money there. Maybe in the first investment that I must say that I probably will sell and not make my money back. Because I mean, I kind of did this. Oh wait, I was gonna say I kind of did this with the assumption that maybe Sophie will get up to 7,000, which it just did. 7,400, 6,920. If it gets back up to 7,000 again, I'm selling. So I'm gonna wait for that to happen, and when it does, we'll sell. Oh, there it is, 7,000. I missed out on a little bit, but you know what? Sophie fell off so bad before that I don't want to be on another one of those roller coaster rides. So there you go. I got us up to $495 million. I don't really know where I want to invest now, though. Sun Paper was as high as 4,000 at one point, but 3,457, 545, 469. We could see another drop. I don't know. I doubt it. Parallel 191. They're almost at 200. Cinda's starting to fall off again. Hayer's kind of in the $40 range again. 39. Not really liking any of these right now. TCT net may be an option, I guess. It's down in the 70s now, and it just hit like 100 earlier. So let's go ahead and do that. 69,000 shares. Split that in half. Be like 39, something like that. 39. Not exactly, but you know, close enough. Alright, there we go. $277 million we're going to invest there. Sun Paper's now down to 2,780, so I definitely think this is a good investment. We're going to go 500. Alright, that's $139 million. I definitely expect us to make that back, unless all heck breaks loose. We already made $11 million right after that, so, you know. If Sun Paper gets back up to 4,000, this could be the greatest investment that I've ever made. Oh, TCT net, $75 million? Jesus. Alright, I don't even want any more. I don't even want any more. It may get up to, well, hold on. 90.57, 99. We got $100 million off that investment. Hold on, I'm pausing that. I want my $100 million. I want it. I want it now. 39,000 or 3.9 million shares. Jeez. All right. Well, $379 million total back from that. It gets us back up to $458 million. And goal achieved, stock return of more than $100 million. You've become a major shareholder of a listed company. As Buffett says, buy the company you like. I mean, I don't necessarily like TCTnet, but you know, it pays the bills. Yeah, that $100 million pays the bills. I don't know what bills. I'm still in the same freaking room that I was in the very beginning of this series, so it's not like I've really done more. We haven't had any more kids either, so I'm still waiting on some paper to get back up to 4,000. Labor costs rose, so that sent it down a little bit, but I'm confident. Okay, Hayer's now in the $50 range. Cinda's Rambler's down to like 40. That may be a good time to invest there. Let's see. We can do 99. Oh my god. We'll do 45. Oh, no, we'll do 50. 50,000. 229 million. So that's what, 5 million shares, I think? Yeah, 5 million shares. Alright, let's go. Let's roll. I'm thinking maybe Rambler was up to like 70 at one point, I think. I'm not really sure though. 51, 52, it's kind of steadily rising again. 50, 53, 57, 59, 60 million. Man, I'm hoping for 70. We'll hold on a little bit longer. Parallel Tech withdraw from the tablet market because of sharp decline. I don't see them declining though. They're supposed to be declining. 133, 124, 137. Oh boy. Rambler's now at $45. We're losing money now again. Sun Paper, we're losing money as well. Let me speed up some because I know this was a good investment. Oh, hold up, there it is. There it is, $134 million. They're not even up to 3. They're only up to, oh, that's Rambler. I'm sorry, looking at the wrong one. Yeah, $72. I don't see Rambler getting too much higher than that. That's another $100 million investment. That's $200 million investments in this episode. All right. Let's get rid of everything. Alright, $593 million. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. There's nothing for us to even do with this money at this point other than to continue to invest, I guess. I'm thinking. We're almost back. Sun Paper is kind of just, it's doing its own thing now. I don't know. It's not following the trend anymore that I thought it would. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. I'm hoping for 4,000 again. Surprisingly, that didn't make me as much as I thought it would. Serious brain drain, 3,700, 3,800. Come on, you can get me to 4,000. I know you can. I know you can. You just don't want to right now. You just don't want to. Parallel's at $200. I don't understand how they left the market because the profit margin's declining, but then now their shares are higher than they've ever been. Doesn't really make sense at all. Hayer's now like $60. Don't know what's going on there either. I guess there really isn't anybody else in the market, is there? Seemingly to challenge them. I mean, Parallel and SSA Group pretty much have competition from frickin' Apple and all these other people, so I mean, I guess I can understand them being in trouble. TCTNet's back down to $70 a share. I think that may be an investment there. $66? Sure frickin' thing. Why not? We'll do 60,000, so 6 million shares. Alright. I'm still waiting on freaking Sun Paper. Oh my god, we lost a lot of money there. $60. Oh, we're falling fast. Oh boy, TCTNet's going freaking horrible. That's negative 100 million. Great. Stock bonus of 925,000. Jesus, that's almost $1 million just from that. Just from what is it? Earnings. That's great. Pretty good. Sun Paper, please get back up to 4,000. Well, actually, Sophie's kind of falling off too, so maybe everything is kind of in a state of downturn. Except for Parallel, because it's at $200. Oh, wait, there's Sun Paper. I spoke too freaking soon. It's above $4,000 now. There it is. That's another $100 million investment. Thank you very much. 500 shares, 50,000, 246 million. And once TCTNet starts to come back, we'll be in great. Oh, if it starts to come back, because there was serious brain drain there. $81.90, $88, $91. That's another $100 million investment. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Actually, no, we'll see. 92, 93, 97. Can we get 200 million? $200 million investment. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm out. 60,000. That was really great. $600 million back. We have now reached $1 billion in terms of our overall cash. $1 billion. But I'm going to end it here, guys, and I will see you in the next one.